Working with my skills coach was brilliant. She helped me everywhere along, getting down to the depth of what we were actually doing besides from the chemistry, so that was sort of new to me. The support really helped me throughout my time. My plans for the future is I hope to stay with my company. I would advise people to definitely do degree apprenticeships. We've had new apprentices come in at the moment and I've told them that is completely the way forwards. No debt, you still get that degree at the end of it and you get 3 or 4 years experience, which is vital in this world.
Now I've finished my apprenticeship, I feel great. It's been 4 long, hard years, but it's paid off in the end. I've achieved a good grade and been supported throughout the whole thing and gained a lot of valuable experience that will help support me in my career in the future. The support I received from Manchester Met throughout my apprenticeship was great. Anytime I needed help or support with anything, I knew everyone was just an email away and the response was really quick. And my skills coach, the review meetings were really useful. So we'd have bi-monthly catch-ups and he'd keep track of your progress, tell you where you need to improve, where you're at, and help prepare you for your endpoint assessment, which was really useful. And in terms of the degree apprenticeship, I just thought that was the best way for me to fast-track my career, essentially, because I would gain the degree and the knowledge, but also have 4 years hands-on experience, which at the end would make me really employable. In the 4 years that I've worked there, I'm pretty much trained in everything in my department, and I've since moved on to a new role, which is more research and development based compared to the analytical I was doing when I started. And I've always been well supported from my employers.